no.
Ben, come down, please. Not yet.
Go away, Biscuit. Please. I cannot go down there. Not yet. I broke it. I really broke it. I cannot tell Mom. She will be so angry. It was an accident. I did not mean to. You are here. Come in, come in. Hi, Mia. I love your pajamas.
Hello, Ben. Welcome to our home.
Thank you. You have a very nice house. 6. I moved 6 spaces. That is my space. Go back 1.
Snack time. Eat up.
Thank you very much. This is my room. What is that? It was my grandmother's. It is very special to me. The flower on top is beautiful. You can look, but please do not touch. Which one is the best one? All of them. I love all of them equally. Just one look. Just the flower. It is so pretty. I can see the whole flower now. No. No. My music box. My grandmother's music box. I am so sorry. It slipped. I did not mean to. It was my grandmother's. She is not here anymore. I am sorry, Mia. It was an accident. I will put it back. Nobody will notice.
What happened? Is everyone okay?
It fell off the table. By itself. We are sorry about the music box. I will fix it later. I just need time. Are you enjoying the food, Ben?
Yes. Thank you. It is very good.
Lily. I know, Ben. I picked it up. I should not have picked it up. Are you going to tell her?
I do not know.
Tomorrow. I will tell her tomorrow.
Thank you for coming. Safe trip home.
Thank you for having us. Bye, Ben. Come again sometime. Bye, Mia.
Welcome home. How was the sleepover?
Fine. Ben, are you okay?
I am tired. The sleepover was fun, but I am tired.
I should have told her. I should have told her right away. Are you going to tell Mom? There is nothing to tell. Okay, Ben. I hope you feel better soon. You can smell it, can you? Dogs always know. I know. I know, Biscuit.
Ben, do you want to draw with Lily?
No, thank you. No, thank you. Does your pocket feel heavy? Stop it, Lily. I could fix it with glue. Nobody would know. Stay. 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 No. It is not working. This was a bad idea. I will think of something. I just need more time. Do not look at me like that. You do not understand. Out of sight. Out of mind.
And then the whole computer just said goodbye.
Computers cannot say goodbye.
You are very quiet tonight.
I am just thinking.
What are you thinking about? Is it dinosaurs? It is dinosaurs, is it not?
No. The soup is very good tonight. Thank you, sweetheart. Tomorrow. I will do it tomorrow. I like it under here. It is small. Nothing can find you under here.
Hello? Oh, Doer. Hello. Yes, this is Ben's mom.
That is Mia's mom. She is calling.
I see. Thank you for calling. I will speak with Ben tonight.
She knows. Mom knows. I cannot tell Mom. She will be so angry. Ben, can you come down, please? 1 minute. I can do this. Not yet. Mom wants to talk to you. I heard. Do you want me to come with you? Why? Because it is easier when someone is beside you. I will go alone. She already knows, Ben. Mia's mom told her. She already knows. She already knows, and she did not come up angry. Are you telling me to go? Okay. 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 Let us go.
Come sit with me.
Okay.
How are you feeling? My tummy feels bad. Mia's mom called me this evening. She told me about the music box.
I was gonna tell you. I was gonna tell you today. But then I thought if I hid it long enough, it would. It does not go away. does it.
Secrets do not go away. They just get heavier.
I kept this. I was going to glue it back.
It was an accident. Was it an accident?
I picked it up to look at it. Mia said not to touch it, but I picked it up anyway. And then I lied. I told Mia's mom it fell by itself.
Thank you for telling me. Are you angry? I am a little sad. But I am more proud that you told me the truth.
But I told the truth now. I lied first.
The truth is still the truth, even when it comes late. What matters is that it comes.
Hello, Ben.
Hi, Dad.
There is one more thing to do.
Call Mia's mom? And say I am sorry. And say I broke it.
You do not have to do it alone. I will be right here.
Ben? Can I tell you something?
When I was your age, I broke my friend's toy truck. I hid it in a bush for a week.
A bush? You hid it in a bush?
A big bush. By the garden fence. I thought if the rain came, it would wash the problem away.
Did it work? No.
No.
The truck was still broken when the rain stopped. And I still felt terrible.
Say it out loud, Ben. It gets smaller when you say it out loud.
I broke Mia's music box. It was an accident. And I am sorry. It is a little smaller. A little. Did you come to help?
He always does.
Ready? No.
That is okay. You can be not ready and still do it.
I am sorry I broke it. That is what I will say. Pick up. Please pick up.
Hello?
Hello. This is Ben. I am sorry. I broke the music box. I picked it up when Mia said not to. It was my fault.
Thank you for telling me, Ben. That was very brave.
I have the broken piece. I kept it. I thought I could fix it.
We can try to repair it together. Will you bring it when you visit next time?
Yes. I will bring it. And I will be more careful. She said thank you for telling the truth. How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Small.
Small like a bad thing? Or small like the thing you were carrying got smaller?
The second one. The thing got smaller.
That is how it works. Every time.
Did you call?
Yes. I knew you would. Huh. You did not know. That's why we should become astronauts and open a pizza restaurant on the moon.
But I thought we were gonna be pirates.
Say it. It gets smaller.
Say it. It gets smaller. He always knows too. He learned from me. The truth is lighter. Dad was right.